Napanood mo na ba? Hindi pa. Ay, okay. Panoorin mo na lang. Kasi yun nga, parang pag kinuwento ko rin yung character ni Enrique, parang kinuwento ko na rin yung character ni Jessie. At i-spoil ko na yung buong movie. But yun lang siguro. Ang hirap kasing pag usapan ng kwento ni Enrique because Enrique is a very key character sa The Trial. So yun, kaya pansinin ninyo, even, di ba pag pinapanood nyo yung trailers, pag pinapanood yung mga versions na pinapalabas namin, parang, hindi ko masyadong kilala si Enrique. Ano bang meron to? Because he's a very central character in fact sa The Trial. Parang akala mo si Emily ang lead ng role niya, but every time lumalabas siya, may secret siyang ilalabas. Parang gano'n. So yun, ang hirap nga i-discuss.
#talak. Si Chris Gasol.
Share ko lang na may hirap siya.
Oo, maganda. Actually nga, pag ni-reveal mo, mahirap din. Okay, more questions from the Star Cinema Girl?
For Jessie po, paano yung relationship niyo po with your aunt? O meron po ba kayong iba po pong family member doon sa movie? Kasi naman, manood mo. Hindi po,
Para saan ba to? Sige na, ano yung
kay Miss Vivian po, siya lang po yung, ko doon, siya lang po yung relative ko sa movie. Well, ninang ko si Miss Gretchen. But, syempre, mas na kay Miss Vivian yung on family side ko. I could say siguro na sa character ko, kaya siya insecure and kaya siya mababa yung confidence niya sa sarili niya. Kasi nga, her tita is very strict. Si Miss Vivian yun. At saka, nandun yung pressure kay Bessie kasi si Miss Vivian, nakikita lang niya lagi si Bessie. Yung buong mundo niya na kay Bessie. So, yun lang yung relationship namin. So,
okay.
Sana panoorin niyo na lang.
Sorry, I guess to put things in perspective. Hi, Chris. Kasi malaki yung role ng anak sa relationship with parents sa movie. For Enrique with Richard and Gretchen, and for John Lloyd, and with Vince and Sylvia. So, if you can share short lang, parang individually as Chris, as Derek Chito, and as Jessie, how are you with the relationship with your parents? Because it's also an important issue that we're tackling in this movie.
So personal to, yun naman pala eh. Hindi kasi nilinaw. So, how close, how faithful your relationship
How
with
open
your
are you with your guardians or with your
siblings
family
or what
members?
have you?
Ano ba yun? Hindi ka naman ako mag-share. Ako, personally, I'm very close to my mom. Sa nanay ko talaga.
May explain pa si Jessie, yung pala naman personal, di ba?
Personal, Sobrang akong close sa nanay ko. Parang feeling ko siya pinaka-importanteng tao sa buhay ko. Parang ganyan. It really matters to me what she says, what she thinks of, ganyan. Tapos, recently kasi, early this year kasi my mom was diagnosed with cancer. So because of that, sobra kong tinitreasure ngayon every moment I spend with my mom. Ganyan. Kasi parang kasi di ba before, we used to take naman our relationship with our parents for granted. Kasi parang feeling natin parang, hey, mamamatay yan, matanda na yan, parang ganyan. Yun naman lagi iniisip natin, di ba? So parang I'm just gonna keep living my life, ganyan. Pero pag nandun na yung reality, that life is temporary, na parang, di ba, may expiration date lahat ng bagay, you'd learn to treasure every moment you spend with her. Parang gano'n. Yung tatay ko, okay lang. Yung okay lang! Wala na siya ko sa tatay. Pero yun, mas ako talaga sobrang close ako sa mom ko.
Okay. Derek, you have something to share?
Wala na akong parents eh. So ako ulila na. Ayan. So pero when they were live, okay naman. I have no complaints. So they were a very giving parent, and they were very understanding. Yun lang.
Thank you, Direk.
Jessie, okay. Si Jessie rin sasagot?
Jessie,
Hintiyahin mong totoo.
Hindi yan, totoo naman pala. Mga tita ko po kasi sobrang bait sa akin. Mahal na mahal ako ng mga tita ko. Whenever my mom's busy with my siblings, mga tita ko naman ang nag-aalaga sa akin. So, ako din, I have no complaints with the way my mom brought me up and how my father is kahit malayo siya. I feel very loved. So, I have no problems with them.
Thank you, Jessie.
Okay, thank you. Okay, more questions. Your name, please. Can we share the mic?
I'm Patrick from Definity Manila.